It all begins in the soil. Every fiber we choose, every thread we spin, every fabric we create, every color we blend, every promise we make. This is our journey. This is our promise to be the name you can trust. For over a decade, we've been crafting something far greater than business. One of Madhya Pradesh's largest integrated textile industry at a single location. Strategically positioned in the heart of India, we're seamlessly connected to global markets. Just hours from Mandadeep Dryport and Nhava Sheva Seaport. Today, when premium domestic and international buyers across more than 35 nations choose us, they're not merely purchasing products. They're choosing a partner who understands that their legacy depends on our unwavering commitment. At the beating heart of SMPL lies our spinning mastery, where humble fibers of white gold are transformed into the dreams of tomorrow. With 250,000 spindles working in perfect symphony, we craft 165 metric tons of premium yarn every single day. Spinning counts from delicate fine to robust coarse. From pristine cotton to innovative PC blow room blends, organic and certified cotton to recycled cotton and recycled polyester. Each spun yarn is engineered to fulfill global standards. We bring together world-class, state-of-the-art technology with India's pioneering expertise. Our automated yarn packaging systems ensure pristine hygiene and exceed the most demanding global shipping standards, reinforcing the confidence our partners place in us. Where yarn finds its purpose, where threads become fabric, where partnerships take shape. Equipped with more than 100 advanced knitting machines, we produce over 50 metric tons of high-quality, greige-knitted fabric daily, from individual yarn to unified fabric. Here, artistry meets engineering excellence. Advanced fabric packaging systems with multi-point inspection preserve quality integrity from our knitting machines to global destinations. Precision in every process. Trust in every partnership. Where colors discover their destiny, white fabric awakens to vibrant life. And where every shade tells a story. Our state-of-the-art dyeing and printing division transforms fabric into art. Every functional finish adds life, performance, and comfort to every thread. Our design studio doesn't follow tomorrow's trends. We create them today. With precision shade matching, sample-to-batch consistency, and automated dispensing, we bring visions to life, coloring the lives of millions. From inspection to dispatch, every fabric passes through meticulous quality check, precise packaging, and careful handling, ensuring perfection exactly as promised. Quality isn't a checkpoint. It's the DNA embedded in every fiber, every process, every promise. When our engineers perfect a revolutionary blend, when our operators ensure zero defects, these aren't just jobs. This is our commitment to excellence. From separate organic cotton storage, ensuring purity, to complete traceability from cotton to finished fabric, we provide our customers transparency at every step. Manthan, our Center of Excellence Quality Lab, ensure precision, quality, and future-ready innovation for global benchmarks. Powered by SAP S/4HANA Intelligence, refined through Kaizen philosophy, and perfected via 5S methodology, driving assurance through every outcome that delights our customers. With continuous ongoing expansion in green energy, our current 28 megawatt solar power plant in Madhya Pradesh's largest rooftop and on-ground installation, reducing carbon footprint equivalent to planting 10 lakh trees. With rainwater harvesting, zero liquid discharge, husk-based boiler for steam generation, green energy from agricultural waste, and CNG transportation, We ensure sustainability isn't an afterthought. It's our promise to future generations and to every customer who trusts us. Our 5,000 plus employees aren't just the workforce behind the machines. They're the heartbeat of our promise, the guardians of trust our customers place in us. With dedicated training centers, uncompromising safety, and continuous skill development, we build excellence that serves our customers every single day. We don't just employ people, we embrace them as family. Our facilities like hostels, mess and canteen, dispensary, shopping complex, temple, sports facilities speak loud about the fact, for us, our people matter. When our logistics team ensures on-time delivery despite every challenge, they're keeping promises and building customer delight. At SMPL, purpose goes beyond profit.
Through Sagar Manufacturers
Over 1,500 children are nurtured with free education, midday meals, and modern learning, creating a foundation for a better tomorrow. Empowering lives, just as we empower industries. From white gold to fabrics that dress the world. Every fiber, every thread, every fabric, every color, every promise weaves into one magnificent truth. Our customers are the foundation of everything we do. And guided by this belief, the force behind the Sagar Group carries forward a legacy of vision and trust.